God!
Can result even though you are using a good quality receiver.
Perfect timing.
Working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received. Insufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 26 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH 63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXG 70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF 69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Radio Public Warning System. We now return to the regular broadcast program. The 10 a.m. weather roundup. Orlando International Airport, under mostly sunny skies, temperature 82 degrees, dew point 73.
Oh boy, perfect timing. I thought it was going to be 11:30 today, but it says 11 a.m. So that was perfect.
Haines City,
What?
moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Point Siena.
What?
Protection moved
What
to an interior
city?
room on the lowest floor of a building. Special weather statement.
3 SVRs. That was a short one. Oh my God. Pope. What, an SVS?
County. At 4:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Lake Kissimmee, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour.
You gotta be kidding me,
60
SVS?
miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Polk County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Special weather statement.
What?
Strong thunderstorms.
SVS? Just after the warning just ended. What? Oh no! Oh my!
Central Orange County,
What?
Florida, northwestern Osceola County, and east central Florida.
Video cut!
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The 3 p.m. weather.
You! Just 2 minutes after I've done recording, you issued another one!
2 degrees and the relative humidity 51%, producing a heat index of 99.
Oh my
at 70
God!
miles per hour.
Let's be on for Marion.
And towards
SVR for Marion County. Oh my God, we got an SVR for Marion. Wow.
Can you hear me?
That was amazing.
County, east central Florida, until 4:45
Brevard County.
Daylight time. At 3:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Merritt Island, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rocklet, Cocoa Beach, Merritt Island, Patrick Air Force Base, and Suntree. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and
What?
cloud to ground
dangerous storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Special weather.
Oh my God!
A strong thunderstorm will impact northwestern Volusia County through 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Fruitland or near Crescent City, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 15
no!
Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Volusia County and east central Florida until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Crescent City, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour.
Oh my God!
Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pearson, Barberville, Lake George, Eldridge, and Seville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Serving Orlando.
Oh, 10 o'clock at night! Oh, an SVR.
The voice of the National Weather Service.
I thought it was over.
Broadcast comes to you from the National
NW!
County.
Flash flood warning!
The National Weather Service
Brevard County
has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Brevard County and east central Florida until noon Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:08 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain.
Oh!
Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the morning.
Oh my God!
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to be
5 inches of rain!
hazard. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source:
Radar and automated gauges.
impact. Flash flooding of small highways,
There we go.
streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage
Some
and
low-lying
low-lying areas.
spots.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Titusville, Haulover Canal, Mims, Scottsdale, Waylanda Beach, Merritt Island Wildlife
Oh my
Refuge,
God!
Klondike Beach, LaGrange, Turnbull, Shiloh, and Baraka. This includes the following streams and St. John's River and Pantheon and most of flood damage
I chose listening to it. The lyrics are just
warning has been issued until noon Eastern Daylight
Okay, so the lyrics, obviously,
Brevard, Florida.
Oh my God, flash flood warning!
Serving Orlando and vicinity. This is NOAA Weather Radio.
Oh my God!
63, the voice of the National Weather Service. This broadcast comes to
Oh my
you from
God.